What's going on, Tesla fans? Tim here, and today on my 2022 Model Y, I'm going to be installing this retractable rear cargo cover kit to keep peering eyes out from my back window and the side windows into the cargo area. Now, pretty disappointing actually, I think, that Tesla doesn't ship this with a cargo cover already. I know some models do, some don't. They're kind of all over the place. Ours did not, so I'm going to install this one that I picked up on Amazon. You can check the link in the description below to get yours, but it's pretty simple. They basically send you 4 mount pieces here, and then the cover itself, which then snaps into these mounts and retracts in and out. Basically, these are installed with just the 3M sticky tape on the backs of them. This one is the one for the front, where it goes through, where the seatbelt goes through that slot. It's going to go right around the front there, and then this guy goes right underneath here and underneath the rubber weather stripping, and will be here like this. So first things first, I'm going to get one side installed and show you guys what it looks like. Get the other side put in, and then put the cover in, and we'll see how it holds up. All right, so I've got the right side of the car installed here, the front and the rear. I'd say they blend in pretty well. Plastic's about the same color, depending on how the light's hitting it. Looks like it's supposed to be there, which is good. So the front seatbelt one, that one's easy. You just pull the seatbelt through, sticks right on. So that side's done. You can see here, here's that before look on this side. So now next is to get that side put on. All right, to show you guys setting it up on this side, I've got the plastic peeled off. You can see all the sticky, and it'll be mounted this way. So first, I peeled back on the weather stripping here, kind of in the area that I know it's gonna go, right around here. And then I kind of just like line it up, because they have this notch here. You kind of just push down until it adheres. You can kind of move it around a little bit to get it to be sticky. This one doesn't like sticking there very much. And there you go. All right, now with the mounts stuck in place, we can actually take the cover and we can pop it in. So the easiest thing to do, just slide it in one side, and then this side you're gonna squeeze, apply some pressure, boom. Now we have it. Pulls in and out just like that. All right, and in wrapping this up, I put the seats in the full back position. Looks really clean, lines up great with the cover, and of course still retracts and everything, no issues there. The trunk lid closes on it, and it creates a full enclosed space. So let's pull this back real quick here. Boom. And there you go. That's what it looks like when it's all done, all said and done and in place. Let's close her up and call this one done.